Hello, my dear students. How are you, everyone? I hope everyone are well by the grace of Almighty. Today, in this video, I will discuss about index of the text. Index, first chapter, Beauty in Poetry. Second chapter, the Bijou Festival. Third chapter, Language and Power. Fourth chapter, Paraphrasing and Rephrasing. Fifth chapter, Writing cohesively. Sixth chapter, Introducing someone formally. Seventh chapter, A Hole in the Fence. Eighth chapter, Life in the Woods. Ninth chapter, Writing Differently. Tenth chapter, Success is Counted Sweetest. 11th chapter, The Merchant of Venice. 12th chapter, Appendix.